Hello everyone, welcome to motostudio. This time I want to present the new powerful and definitive 2022 the new Sportster S from Harley-Davidson. The new Sportster S from Harley-Davidson has a Bronx accent, which is not always a good thing. The liquid-cooled Harley-Davidson Sportster S may be a groundbreaking model for the Milwaukee iron motorcycle manufacturer, but it is simply a Sportster in the name. Harley has registered the name Bronx, which was rumored to be the new family name for this model, but the traditional heavy motorcycle manufacturer opted to preserve the 65-year-old Sportster brand. Given the lack of the old model's unique dual shocks, signature oval air cooler, and front and rear header pipes, we doubt that any real Sportster enthusiast will be fooled by the ploy. With its thick tires, low-slung appearance, and water-cooled engine, Harley should have dubbed this motorcycle a V-Rod. The new Revolution engine debuted on the similarly revolutionary Pan America 1250 Special Adventure motorcycle but has been detuned from 112 kilowatts at 750 rpm to 90 kilowatts at 7500 rpm. Undoubtedly, aficionados will appreciate the engine's apparent tunability, one of the V-Strength's rods which has earned an exceptional reputation in Australia and internationally for its drag strip capabilities. In contrast to the costly V-Rod, the Sportster has always been considered Harley's entry-level motorcycle. However, this current version's $26,495 ride-away price makes it the most expensive Sportster to date. Previous iterations of the Sportster have always been priced below the psychological $20,000 threshold, so this motorcycle is forging uncharted territory. Style-wise, it seems to be aimed at a younger market than the typical Harley consumer over the age of 50. With its low, broad posture, big front and rear tires, short fenders, and flat handlebars with bar-end mirrors, the Sportster S presents a beautiful, powerful appearance. Even though the foot controls are somewhat forward, the seat height is low at 752 mm and the hand levers are adjustable, so it should be suitable for riders of shorter stature. The 1,252 cubic centimeters V-twin engine is identical to the engine used by Harley in the Pan America 1250 Special, except it produces 90 kilowatts at 7,500 rpm. It is smoother and revs more readily, although Sportster enthusiasts describe its sound as brittle. The engine generates as much heat as the Pan America, but since your legs are above it, the only hot spot in summer traffic is the back of your legs. Bar-end mirrors are too large to fit between lanes of traffic. A smooth transmission makes shifting gears simple and neutral simpler to find than on previous Harleys, although the clutch pull is taxing in slow traffic. On the highway, the Sportster S maintains a reasonable pace and has sufficient power to pass without downshifting. The 12-liter fuel tank barely lasts 160 kilometers until the reserve light comes on, leaving 60 to 70 kilometers of range. There is no location for attaching panniers or rear baggage, and Harley only supplies a small mailbag attachment. The Sportster S boasts fully adjustable Showa 43mm upside-down forks and a hydraulically preloaded Showa piggyback reservoir rear shock.